Yes, digital product family. Hope you guys are well. Guys, it's over. It's finished. It's oversaturated. You can't make money. Guys, it's done. It's done. Guys, I hear that all the time. And it's an absolute joke. And I'll tell you why. Because it is so far from the truth. It is the most unsaturated thing you can find. Yes, there are saturated things out there, but guys, Etsy's ever evolving, ever moving, ever improving, ever going. And the thing is, you can always find new niches because they're coming out all the time. And this is what I'm trying to say. I'm going to prove it with this video with a few different digital product niches and just show you how these new guys just come in the game and boom, start making money straight away. And I'll tell you also why they do it and how they do it. And this is what I'm trying to say. Guys, when people say it's oversaturated, you can't get in, it's too hard. Well, yeah, if you're going to stick to the old niches that people have been doing for a long time, you got to move with the times. You got to move and just be creative. Think about different ways of doing things because things are moving. Like time moves on. Cars evolve. Things improve. You know what I mean? Trends, fashion, everything moves. So we got to move with the times, guys. And this is no different. So, guys, like I said, if you love digital products, love creating, selling, and all of that mad stuff, then please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. Let me do the research so you don't have to. Check it out, guys. Look at this. Boom. I got some beautiful 100 bundle flower dogs. See, this is what I'm talking about. Flower dogs, right? People that love pets, dogs. Boom, you're there. And then you got to combine it. It's all about the ingredients, guys. You got to drop those ingredients like this. Sunflowers are a popular thing that people look for, especially in tumblers. Those of you that know. It's 20 plus in a basket. Boom. It's a bestseller. Boom. And check it. How long have they had this listing for, guys? How long? Let's check it out. Check out this 3-month-old listing. Boom. $1,276 a month. Smashing it. Yeah. Beautiful. 71 sales a month. Boom. Yes, it is on a sale right now. It is on a sale right now. So they're not getting that exact amount. Obviously getting less. It's got 16 reviews. Boom. Right. Really cute. Really nice. A bundle. So they're hitting on a bundle. They know what they're doing. Look, they're showing you exactly what they look like. You're getting a bundle. Right. And these obviously people love their bundles. So they're ticking a box. 20 ounce tumbler, ticking another box. People that love dogs, ticking a third box. People that love sunflowers, ticking another box. You've got to tick boxes. Guys, you got to do things which ticks boxes, which has a lot of eyes on the product. This is what I'm trying to say. And let me say you something even better than that. Check it out, guys. You might be saying to me, yeah, but AG, this seller knows what they're doing. They've been in the game for years. They've been doing this for so long. Well, no, they haven't been doing it for so long. Because check this out now. Yeah, check it out. 1,041 sales. Yeah, 30 listings only. Yeah, check it. Let me go and delve a little deeper. Let me do the analysis, guys. And I'll tell you and show you straight how it all works. Yeah, 3-month-old store. Yeah, let me just double check this. I want to make sure I'm absolutely sure on this, guys. So you can see what I'm saying and that newbies can make it and make it real good. All right. Now, like I said, it's not always the case. This is a 3-month-old listing. Yeah. And like I said, not everything always works, but I'm showing you the possibilities. And this is what you need to know. Look at this. They are absolutely killing it. In fact, I probably went on to the one that 2 months. Sorry. Their listing. Yeah. So it's a 3-month-old store. A 3-month-old store, guys. Yeah. 3-month-old store. But you know what? These guys are pretty cool. They know what they're doing. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Wicked. Right? And I'll tell you what they've done. This is another bestseller of theirs. These are actually very beautiful. They are a bundle of 50 Bible verses. So you've got Bible verses combined with sunflowers watercolor. Let's look at these boxes. They're ticking. They're doing things that people look for, right? In one package. And this is what you got to do. So about the ingredients, I keep saying it. So people look for Bible citations, Bible verses, and so on. That's one. You got this motivational thing that people also look for. You know, motivation, faith, inspiration. That's two. Then you got obviously the 20 ounce, because 20 ounce is a popular one in terms of tumbler wraps. Boom. Third one. Fourth one, it's a bundle. Yeah, it's a bundle. Number 5, they're doing sunflowers and they're doing beautiful flowery watercolors that goes with it. That's 6. Look at that. All of these combinations make it into a fantastic product. So even if you're brand new, and this one by itself, although it's on a sale, so you got to take that into account still. But if it wasn't on a sale, guys, if it wasn't on a sale, this bundle, 2-month-old bundle, makes $2,754 a month. Yes, you have done it. Love this. Amazing. Well done. 156 sales a month. Boom. Visibility score 100. Boom. Reviews 47. Boom. Lovely. 2-month listing, right? And if this wasn't enough, then check this out, guys, because you know what, I got you today, right? Check this out, guys. I got this next one. I got this people are saying wall art is just finished. Wall art is fit. Let me show you this one. This is in demand. Etsy's pick. Boom. Gallery wall art print set. Halloween printable art gallery, right? They got a set of these wall arts. It's a digital download, guys, so don't get twisted. There you go. Digital download. 76 reviews. Let's see how old this is, right? This is, see, when you get creative, when you start doing things that are a little bit different to everybody else, this is where you start hit 2-month-old listing. This one is getting $7,900 a month. Yeah, this is the one. 416 sales per month, guys. It's on a sale, 45% off. So please, take that into account. But even if we're talking, what we're talking about, huh? What we're talking about, around $3,500, even if with a sale, crack-a-lacking, guys. Yeah, what is it doing? It's got a smart style to it. This Halloween, people search for ghosts. You got this cat witch style that you've got here. People love even frogs. Search for they know what they're doing. The pumpkin and the cat, this kind of old dark vintage style. Lovely. Got the ingredients, guys. They know what they're doing. Lovely mock-ups as well. Love these mock-ups. Look, it just gives you how it would look in the home. Amazing. Set of 10. So this is set of 10 printables. Yeah, this is what you got to do. So they know the bundle thing. They know people are on Halloween right now. The people are doing the vintage thing. Look, all these keywords, they're in the title as well. They know what they're doing. You might be saying to me, but yeah, AJ, this guy, they know what they're doing. It's an old store. They're getting traffic from the store, from the other listings, from the old customers. Okay, let's check this out then. Check this out. Let's see how old, right? Look at this. 5,488 sales only. 125 listing. That's a young store. Boom. There you go. Now show me. Show me the money, right? How long has this been? How old is this store? Let's check it out. Let's just see, right? But I'm telling you, it's a young store. Look at this. Come on. Let's have a look. I'm going to show you. Just make sure we verify it, validate. So we've got the facts in front of us, people. 4 months. Only 4 months, guys. A young store, right? And it's absolutely smashing it, right? Smashing it. 7,900 for a 2-month-old listing. 4,596 for another listing. 3,133 for a 1-month-old listing, guys. Because they know what they're doing, right? When they see something that works, they double down as well, right? Look at these. These fall Halloween printables are the ones that are making the money. People are saying the wall art niche is too saturated. No. Every day there's new niches emerging, coming out that we can do. Simple as that. You just got to find them. And you got to make sure you get those ingredients. I told you already. Yeah? There you go. Well done, guy. Amazing store. I love your store. Well done to proving that it can be done. Look at this, 416 sales, boom, visibility 100. Look at this, total sales 833, 2-month listing, reviews 76, boom, amazing. Reviews per month 38, smashing it. Yeah, they're hitting on Halloween, they're hitting on vintage, they're hitting on the bundle, because people love their wall art bundle sets as well. Yeah, they're hitting on different things, and they got this beautiful artistic stuff. Amazing, guys. Wicked, wicked, wicked. Right, let's go. Are we finished? Nah, I got one more for you. Check it. Another bestseller. Boom. This is a retro Halloween PNG bundle. 100 plus. In demand. 4 people bought this in the last 24 hours. Let's just check this out. Don't forget, it's like a clip art. So, you know, it's a nice little clip art bundle. Boom. Spooky. And all of that. Let's just see what it's doing. You know, don't forget, these are 100 PNG designs. They're making, it's a 1-month-old listing. Guys, $2,188 a month, and it's got a 25% off sale only. It's killing it. This is actually mad. This is actually mad. What are they touching on, huh? This ghost PNG. See, look what they put in the title. Smart. Pumpkin PNG, witch PNG, ghost PNG. People are looking for these, sublimation and the Halloween, right? Beautiful. Beautiful. Mwah. Love it. Fabulous. Fabulousy. Now, you might be saying, yeah, but look at the store, it's too young. Check the store, 690 sales. The youngest store so far, yeah? Out of these ones, well, let's see how old it is, yeah? Only 690 sales, guys. Come on, yeah? Newbie, new to the game. How old is the store? Let's just see how old the store is. Let's just see how old the store is. Let's analyze all the listings. How many listings are there? How many listings are there altogether? Was it 36? 233. Okay. Right. Let's see how old the store is, guys. It's making over 2K in those 100 PNGs. Amazing. Wait. It's a 2-month-old. It's a 2-month-old store, guys. It's a 2-month-old store. Yeah? 2-month-old store. And it's already doing some amazing bits. Right? 2-month-old store. Right? Let's look at the revenue. Now, remember, with everything, not everything is going to sell. We know that with listings. But when you hit those ones that do, oof, oof, oof. Oh, wow. Look, the ones that are the latest months, 2,188, 480, 339, 230. They're doing some great stuff. I mean, look at it. 1-month-old Christmas tumbler pack wrap 100. You see, they know what they're doing, right? They know what they're doing, guys, because look, they're hitting on some interesting keywords as well. Look, whenever you see some numbers, tumbler wrap bundle, boom, Christmas gnome PNG. They got Christmas gnome in there. They got winter tumbler wrap, but they got winter in there. Let's have a look. They got Xmas tumbler wrap. Yep, they got Xmas in there. So, you know, they're touching on certain keywords. It's a 1-month-old listing, and this is another great listing. I mean, 480 for 1 month. It's already just started. Look at these. Beautiful. And what they're doing is, see, they're doing 3D Christmas style. Look at these 3D designs. Okay. You got the Santa 3D. You got the cat with the hat, Santa hat, gnome, right? So they're doing some really cool, interesting designs as well. They're doing things that people are searching for, because people search for 3D Christmas sublimations. Look, and they've actually got it here on their title as well as part of their keywords. 20 ounce, people look for. Let's just go a bit closer into these designs. Just see, beautiful, right? So even this one is a bestseller. That's their next listing. Look at this. Even this one is a bestseller, because you see, and it's a young store. Look how young, 2-month-old store, and they're already smashing it. Over 2K in the first one, around 400 something in this one. Guys, this is what I'm trying to say. When people say Etsy saturated digital products is done, we can't get in, guys, loads, hundreds of new stores are getting in all the time, young stores, and selling fantastically well. It's just about making sure that you sell what people want, what people are looking for, what people actually are searching for on Etsy, and making sure you're getting into those non-saturated niches, putting the ingredients in, combining things like having, let's say, a 3D element that people look for in a tumbler, maybe adding, remember the last listing we looked at, fantastic image where we had the Bible verses, and then we looked at those watercolor flowers and it combined with that fantastic design. You've got to do things that combines different things, elements that people look for, right? You got to do a combination of things now. Now, Etsy is getting real busy, but it's still possible to make a lot of money real quick. Now, I'm not saying it's going to happen for everybody, because it doesn't, right? It doesn't. Everybody's on a different journey. Sometimes it takes longer. It's okay. But it's about learning, evolving, changing, and improving, guys. And in the end, you will all get there. That's a fact. As long as you keep working on it, you keep improving, learning, and seeing how things work, and also seeing how the good sellers, the young sellers, also how they're doing and how they're evolving and how they're selling. And you can see with today's video, all these stores are very young and they're doing fantastically well. So guys, if you love the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. Don't forget, check out the videos next. Check out these links in my description. Check out everything that I use. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.